this is Jennifer, whoops, with DP, that should be a blooper clip, with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have an unboxing from Craftees. Yes, this company has been on rotation. I'm sure you've seen several unboxings, and they want to, you know, honor artists and give back, and so they actually say, how is Craftees different? We actively promote independent artists and collaborate with them by ruminating them for their handiwork and inspiring art. And they actually have beautiful paint by number kits as well. I'm not much of a painter, but if you are a paint by number person, you should hop on over there. I am not an affiliate, but they heard I was doing an unboxing, and so they gave me a code down below for my subscribers. I don't receive anything from the code. It's 100% for you. I'm affiliates with other companies, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of something. Okay, so these come in a normal box. There's no like, what did I get in it? So let's see, I ordered 2, and this is from Sibby Art, and she actually does multiple things on multiple companies, and I loved this one, and this is an ode to my friend Crafting Journey. Oh my gosh, it's been a long day, people. I am so sorry. So crinkle, crinkle. Right away, what is the first thing that you notice when you open this? Number 1, it is poured glue. Normally, a clear cover means poured glue, not double-sided adhesive. They have their logo at the top. This is what I got. I'll put a better picture in right here. It is called, on here, it's called Girl. But on their website, it's called Alice. It's a 50 by 40, and she is so adorable. There's 24 colors, and it's Alice from Alice in Wonderland. Look at that little white bunny. So cute. So adorable. Got the little heart down here. I love the curls. All right, it's pretty sticky. It's not like knock your socks off sticky, but it's definitely sticky enough for what we need it to be. You see the clear symbols. Over here, you can see the key. They only have 1 key on here, so the top right. The toolkit comes with 2 pens, some pointy tweezers, normal white boat, 2 things of wax, and 2 squishies. It does not come with an inventory sheet that I see. Because there's only 1 key, I would recommend that this company look into doing an inventory sheet. But let's see what's in here. I see some ABs. ABs are specially coated drills. Like an Aurora Borealis is what AB stands for. And let's look. Okay. So these drills, what's that color? These are, this is number 1. It says it's 310. It's not labeled on here, but number 1 is 310, so it's got that special sequence coating. That's normal. And then this is an AB, so I guess anything that's yellow marked on here is an AB. So this is 666 AB right there. And then 17 is 963. Okay, so that's like a pink. They look bigger than normal, but that could just be me because I'm like been working on squares for a little bit. Let's see. This is another company. Oh, they're the same. I think it's just me. So this one has, you know, some color in it, but it's mostly going to be that white color. It's A3756. And yeah, so I'm really excited to try this company, see their product. Yeah, so this is that 37. So it's not white, it's got a little bit of mint to it. There's gonna be a lot of color popping. I'll give you that much. Okay. What's really funny is sometimes I raise my voice like that, and I was watching a video and someone else raised their voice just like it. I'm like, either A, she does it like me, or B, she's been watching way too many of my videos. I don't know if she does, because she sounds a lot like me. Sometimes I pick up traits if I'm watching stuff. Crinkle, crinkle. If I'm watching stuff over and over again, like I'll pick up accents or different traits. So let's roll Alice up, and then let's see what the second one is I got. I'm super excited about the second one. So we're gonna put this in here. Do, 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 do. Because it is poured glue, you can re-roll it up. If it was double-sided adhesive, I would not re-roll it up because you're going to affect the glue. Okay. This one I'm so psyched about. Look at those greens. And they call this one Natural Beauty. And I got it because I love the color green. Right, Tia? And Odd But Nice. We're like the green sisters. Again, this is Sibby the art. It has 25 colors, and it looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4 of the ABs, and the 666, 701, 907, and 3078. Okay, so you're gonna have your toolkit with the 2 pens, the 2 squishies, wax, and then these are your colors. You can see this green color is the AB. I just loved the colors in here. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one. This one is a 40 by 40. So here's that green. Let's see what else is in here. Kind of like going through your wallet, right? What goodies do I have in here? Did I put any extra dollars I don't know about? Okay, so here's like the darker green. And then there's like that red. And what's the last one? Oh, this yellow color right there. I'm looking forward to seeing the different cuts to see if this sparkles and how it works. So let's get to what you really want to see, which is the image. So look at that hat. I'm so excited. And you've got the bird. It's a nice snack for me with the type of color blocking that you see here. The prices are reasonable, especially if you use the 20%. The Alice was $45. This one is $40. And then the 20%, of course, they do a great job on printing it on the canvas. There are no training circles or dummy circles. See, lots of color blocking, but I'm excited to see how this turns out. Elizabeth Ensley over on her channel, she got one of these, absolutely gorgeous. If she had not gotten the one she had, that would have been the one I got, but I'm like, I don't want to look like I'm duplicating her. I'm going to let her enjoy her painting. So yes, check out Craftees. I'll put the link down below. I'll put the 20% off as well. And I hope you check them out. They have some really good art, and they're helping independent artists. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.